Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day. And if not, then I hope you can change it and make it better and start over. You can always start your day over anytime that you like. And there's kittens making noise in the background, and I hope you don't mind. But I hope you like, comment, and are subscribed. And I am doing one of my favorite boxes, the Keto Box today. We love the Keto Box. And I am a little hungry because I like to sample what's in the box to tell you right away if it's good or not. Hot or not? Is this yummy or scummy? And I do follow the keto lifestyle, not perfectly, but I've lost weight on it and maintained that weight loss. And I feel good not eating sugars and stuff. And this is what the box inside looks like. Some cards that tell you what's in here and how to get a free box. But this is what it looks like. Oh, cool. Some of the stuff I've had before and I like, so that's exciting. And I do have a nice bottle of water here to swish and get that funk out, because some of the stuff is funky. All right, this is crispy cuts, Parmesan peppercorn pork rinds. These are delicious. I'm not going to open them because I already know these are awesome, but this is a full serving, and it's got real cheese, 1 gram of carbohydrate, and it's also got a code. No code. It's from Field Trip Snacks, and that is a fantastic thing. There's 1 carbohydrate per serving. Now this is also delicious, and I've had it before, and it's from the cookie department, and it is Cakewalk. It's a birthday cake and sprinkles cookie. And let's see, it's from the cookie department, and there is a promo code to get 20% off of an order. Use KB20, the letter KB20, and you get 20% off of an order. I'm a little peckish, so they have chocolate mint and this birthday cake. And the chocolate mint's really good, and the birthday cake's pretty good. And look, it's nice. It's got that nice cookie crumb to it. Really good vanilla flavor. It's got little sprinkles on top. Very good. Delicious. Louie, would you like some food? Louie's up here begging. He's on the table now, behind the camera. And Jesse's here. They know when it's food time. Next up, we have macadamias. Oh, little girl's in here too. Little Ruby. What's inside? All natural macadamia nuts and sea salt. It's been a long time since I had macadamia nut. And let's see. And it's from the House of Macadamias. HOM, House of Macadamias. Do you see this? Oh, you're so subtle and sly, Louie. However, did I notice that you're right here in front of me, you big ass cat? Messing up my program. Messing it up. He was just like, I'm going to nonchalantly walk and check out your box. I'm glad that didn't sound dirty because I'm a cat. Anyway, let's have some macadamia. There's no discount code for macadamias, I don't think. No, there is. I apologize. And the code for discount for House of Macadamias is the Keto Box 10. The Keto Box 10. So if you like macadamias, they are a great source of protein and fat. It's like the healthiest nut you can eat. He's determined to be in this one. Very good. I forgot how good macadamias are because I never buy them by themselves. I always get like cashews or pecans or something. Almonds. You done? What are you doing, Louie? Get down. He is determined to find out what's in this box. You won't like this because I won't like it either. It's a bag of cauli rice, 69% fewer calories than white rice. Cooks in 2.5 minutes from full green with tomatoes, garlic, and herbs. And actually, we'll probably try this because we keep meaning to try cauliflower rice. And this looks like a good one. And this is from Full Green. You're heavy, cat. And let's see, he's on here somewhere. There's no discount code for this, but it's a nice package. And it's much better for you than white rice. And I save these meat sticks for my man. I give my man a big beef stick. Delicious. I just don't enjoy beef sticks. And this is Country Archer beef sticks, original. 100% grass-fed beef, which is the best kind that you can get. And it's 100 calories. And you can get 10% off if you order from Country Archer Jerky Co. And the promo code is the Keto Box, and you will get 10% off your order. Very nice. I'm excited about this. This is with xylitol, sweetened with xylitol, ice chips candy, and it's peppermint. I'm gonna see if there's not much more of the taste. There's some mixes in here. So I'm going to give this a taste. And you can get 10% off of this ice chips candy. Promo code Keto Box 10. You get 10% off your order. I can't remember if xylitol is what makes you poop. Like some sweeteners make you poop. Just telling you the real deal, ladies and gents. It looks like little ice shards. I hope you guys don't like drugs. And it's very tasty. I can tell the xylitol flavor. It's got a real cooling. It's mint, plus it's got a cooling sensation to it. Oh, it tastes like peppermint. Very refreshing. Then next we have Ketochao. We got, and this is it says make keto easy, and it's ultra low carb meal replacement shake mix for nutritional ketosis. And this is in chocolate. That shard is good. And it is, you can get 10% off of a box with Keto Box 10 as the discount code. And this is Ketochao. And this stuff is usually really good. Really pretty good, I guess. Then we've got confetti mug cake, which I will try this out soon. It's keto friendly. And so you just add water and put it in a mug and stick it in your microwave. And then you got a cake. Very cool. And this mug cake, 15% off. Sweet Logic is the name of the company. And 10% off with the code the Keto Box. Very cool. I have not had a mug cake since a long time ago. And I really haven't liked mug cakes in the past. So maybe that'll be good. And here's some dried organic coconut. No sugar added. So it's just plain shredded coconut, which would be great to add in a recipe. Let's see. And you can get 25% off from Mavuno, M-A-V-U-N-O Harvest. Mavuno Harvest. And that is the Keto Box code. The Keto Box is the code for 25% off. I mean, I know what dried coconut tastes like, so I'm not gonna give that one a go. And then last but not least, oh, Kittens. Louie, get freaking down, you awful cat. I love you so much, but you're driving me crazy. There's a bunch of stuff that you have to make in this box. This is California Keto K-Bite Cinnamon Pecan Energy Bite Mix, and it is no bake, so you just add some, looks like coconut oil, and water, and you make this mix, and it is no bake, and it is a cinnamon pecan energy bite. And who doesn't love an energy bite? Everything's going crazy here because the cat, and lack of room because my table's full of makeup. And that is 15% off, California with a K, keto, and K-Bite 15 is the code. So that is a lot of stuff. The box is, I forgot to mention, it's $39.99. Actually, it's less because I got a 6-month subscription. Louie, how many times? It's like I don't have any control over them. It's like they're wild animals. There's a storm, the cats are going crazy. We've got a bunch of stuff to mix up. But this is great. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things, and they all have discount codes for the most part. And you know, the shipping is free, and it is a great box to try out some different keto snacks. And I'm excited to get ready to try some of these. We're gonna have to try that cauliflower rice and just break down and do it. I'm not a cauliflower fan, but this is a way that will make me do it. Have a great day if you want to, or not. Have a terrible day if you'd like. But have the day of your choice is what's important. And we'll see you real soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.